Hello class 9, again I am K.N. Mishra. Welcome all of you in online classes of biology. Class, till today's online class we have studied about various cytoplasmic organelles present inside a cell in detail. Now, after completion of almost cytoplasmic organelles, now I am going to discuss with you about cell division. Cell division, this is the last topic given in this chapter. Students, as you know that cell division is very essential for purpose of growth, for purpose of replacement of injured tissues, and for reproduction also, for formation of new cells. Cell division is very essential. So, in broad, there are mainly two types of cell division given in your book also. First one is mitosis, and second type of cell division is meiosis. Class, as you know, any living organism has two types of cells. Any living organism. Here we are at present we are discussing about human body. Human beings also are having two types of cells. First type of cell is known as vegetative cell. And second type of cell is known as reproductive cell. There are two types of cells in any living organism. Now, वेजिटेटिव सेल को बायो में कोड के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है 2n, यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 2n। रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल को कोड के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है n। वाई 2n written here, why n is written here? Because each vegetative cell has pair chromosome. So number of chromosomes are double. Whereas in reproductive cells number of chromosomes are half in comparison to vegetative cell. This is the reason behind that why 2n is written here and why n is written here. So class, as cells present in human beings or any living organism is of two types, vegetative cell and reproductive cell. So cell division is also of two types, mitosis and meiosis. In vegetative cells, mitosis takes place. And in reproductive cell, meiosis takes place. या ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, as a result of meiosis, reproductive cell is formed, and as a result of mitosis, vegetative cell is formed. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं इसको, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब इसके बाद माइटोसिस के रिजल्ट में दो सेल्स बनती हैं। ये अगर माइटोसिस यहाँ हम शो करें तो इसको हम कहेंगे पेरेंट सेल कहेंगे इसको। और जब माइटोसिस होता है तो एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ माइटोसिस टू डॉटर सेल्स आर फॉर्म। ठीक है, बीच में कई स्टेजेस यहाँ पे आती हैं, बहुत बच्चे जानते भी हैं स्टेजेस। प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टीलोफेज, ये चार स्टेजेस बीच में आते हैं। कौन सा सेल डिवीज़न हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं? माइटोसिस, ठीक है। प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टीलोफेज, और इसके बाद आता है कैरियोकाइनेसिस, फिर आता है प्लाज्मोकाइनेसिस। ये स्टेजेस बीच में आती हैं। बहरहाल वो यहाँ पे इतना डिटेल नहीं है आपकी बुक में, आपकी बुक में केवल इतना दिया हुआ है कि एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ माइटोसिस मैनी वेजिटेटिव सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू विच ग्रोथ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ इंजर्ड सेल्स takes place, and as a result of meiosis 4 daughter cells are formed from one parent cell, but these 4 daughter cells are having half number of chromosomes, so they are known as haploid. Clear? Class, here is a diagram I think given here. This is a diagram. Your homework is draw this figure 5.7 and figure 5.8. This is your homework. Draw figure 5.7 of mitosis and draw figure 5.8 of meiosis. This is your homework for today. Class, draw these diagrams, and this is last of your chapter number 1, but I will summarize complete chapter tomorrow, and please share your homework on my personal number before 4 p.m. before 5 p.m. today for checking purpose. Clear? Class, stay home, be safe. Thank you, class 9.